Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Gannett newspaper subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
As you know, Gannett owns over 100 newspapers in 44 states, from California to Virginia. Directly contacting your newspaper may be more effective than calling Gannett. USA Today is Gannett's most widely subscribed paper. The most straightforward way to cancel your USA Today subscription is through their customer service line. USA Today Customer Service, 1-800-87-0001. Once you get connected, let the representative know you want to cancel your newspaper subscription. They will cancel your membership. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Gannett and newspaper subscription. So hope you are getting my points. If yes, please hit the like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.